Take a steady breath in and gently let it go. Let yourself settle into this quiet moment. This moment is a gentle reminder. Your desires matter, and so do you. You are worthy of being loved, supported, and fulfilled. Let these affirmations guide you into that knowing. Let's begin. I am worthy of every desire planted in my heart. I trust the truth of my inner knowing. I allow myself to desire what feels right. I believe in the goodness I'm calling in. I hold space for the life I dream about. I honor my desires with grace. I trust that my desires are meant for me. I am aligned with the energy of worthiness. I receive with gratitude and grace. I walk through life knowing I belong. I feel grounded in my desires. I allow joy to meet me where I am. I am here to experience fulfillment. I am open to the path that supports my dreams. I welcome all forms of love into my life. I trust I'm supported every step of the way. I see my worth reflected in how I treat myself. I embrace the life I feel drawn to. I listen to what feels true in my heart. I am worthy of ease, beauty, and peace. I speak to myself with kindness and care. I believe good things want to find me. I open my heart to deep connection. I create space for more of what I love. I trust who I am and welcome what's next. I trust the quiet unfolding of my life. I allow blessings to flow into my life. I let go of old stories that kept me small. I hold the vision of a life that inspires me. I am deeply connected to my purpose. I follow the pull of my soul. I give myself full permission to receive. I know I am meant to thrive. I let my worth be rooted in truth. I cherish what matters most to me. I receive with softness and strength. I feel deserving of support in all forms. I trust the timing of what is unfolding. I allow myself to bloom without limits. I feel calm in my body and clear in my thoughts. I celebrate my growth with compassion. I release anything that dims my light. I trust I'm being guided to what's right for me. I welcome new beginnings that align with me. I let life reflect the love I carry within. I show up for my dreams with quiet confidence. I treat my desires as sacred. I feel safe saying yes to what feels right. I radiate clarity, trust, and calm. I allow expansion in every part of my life. I know I am held by something greater. I say yes to what supports my joy. I let my desires unfold with gentleness. I welcome meaningful connections into my life. I trust my choices to lead me well. I stay aligned with what truly matters. I move forward with steady peace. I welcome experiences that help me grow. I trust my vision, even in stillness. I honor my worth with quiet confidence. I stay present to the magic around me. I honor the desires that keep returning. I feel empowered by my own truth. I receive fully and gratefully. I open to more clarity and purpose. I choose what aligns with my heart. I lean into what feels expansive and real. I welcome love in unexpected ways. I welcome the life that reflects my worth. I stand in quiet confidence. I trust in the life I am creating. I follow what brings me closer to joy. I let my spirit guide the way. I celebrate how far I've come. I feel aligned with the energy of receiving. I allow myself to rest in my worth. I believe I am here to live fully. I welcome inspired paths into my life. I trust what's finding me now. I receive my desires with calm and clarity. Take a soft breath in and slowly let it go. You've just spoken truth into your spirit. Let these words continue to guide your energy back to what matters. You are deeply worthy, you are open, and what you desire is already on its way.